MS Docs presents How to Overcome Procrastination with Stoic Mindset Shifts. Ever find yourself staring at a big task and just freeze? You know you need to do it, but you keep putting it off. Trust me, we've all been there. But here's a secret. The Stoics have a simple way to stop procrastination dead in its tracks. Let's break this down with 5 Stoic principles that can turn procrastination into motivation and turn time lost into time regained. Step 1. Focus on what's within your control. Procrastination often feels like you're trying to juggle everything at once. But here's the thing. You can't control everything, just your next move. So don't worry about everything else. Pick one small thing and start there. Step 2. Act with purpose. When you know why you're doing something, it becomes easier to get started. Think about it. Why is this task important to you? If it's not, maybe you shouldn't be doing it at all. If it is, then let that reason drive you. Step 3. Embrace discomfort. Yeah, it's not always fun, but guess what? That's okay. The Stoics said discomfort is where growth happens. So, that awkward feeling? It's actually a sign you're on the right track. Step 4. Reflect. Once you've made some progress, take a second to think about it. What worked? What slowed you down? Reflection is key to getting better and making sure you don't get stuck next time. Step 5. Just do it now. Seriously. The Stoics remind us that now is the best time to act. Waiting for the perfect moment will just keep you stuck in the cycle. So stop overthinking and start doing. Now, here's your challenge. Pick one task you've been avoiding and use these 5 Stoic steps to get it done by the end of this week. Share your progress with me in the comments or tag me on social media. In the next video, I'll feature some of your wins and even the struggles you've faced so we can all learn together. Take that first step today. You've got this. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share your story with me. Can't wait to hear how you crush procrastination.